please hold your laughs until we begin. I want you guys to realize, and I want you to put yourself into the situation as a chess tournament. And Luke and I are Spartan cheerleaders. We will be cheering on our fellow Spartans at their chess tournament.
I think you're making fun of the Spartans.
Ready? Scene. R-O-W-D-I-E, that's the way we spell rowdy, rowdy. Let's get rowdy.
R-O-W-D-I-E.
Yeah, go Spartans!
Spartans.
It's pretty rough out there. How do I look? I look good out
You
there?
look good, but you have some few split ends. I'm trying to be a good cousin.
Okay, I respect your honesty, but it still kind of hurts. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready for another one? Let's do another one.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Roll call.
Cha-cha,
Boochie, cha-cha, Boochie, roll call.
My name is Lissa. I don't do drugs. I have team spirit. So check me out.
Cha-cha, Boochie, cha-cha, Boochie, roll call. My name is Luke. I did drugs once. My name is Spartan. So check me out.
So check us out.